Boom! So what's up guys, today we're going to be doing a video on natural gas killer strategy, which is really easy to use. I'll explain how you can use the killer strategy along with the support and resistance strategy from the previous video before. So if you haven't seen that video, the link for it is in the description. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. So this strategy only works for one pair, that being natural gas. I recommend you guys trade on Vantage if you're starting out, just because the spread's pretty good. It's about 6 pips. So at 1 PM Greenwich Mean Time, natural gas will move into a support zone or resistance zone and reject off of it for the majority of the day. Here we have an example where it pushes towards a zone and rejects off of it on or after 1 PM. And 10 minutes before the New York zone opens, you really want to look for zones on the previous day or previous week and create your support or resistance zone, which we'll look at for a rejection off of. However, you only really want to trade from 1 to 2:30 PM GMT, but not in the middle of the night and not early in the morning, because that just wouldn't work. So you're going to want to put your stop loss just below the lowest point it went before it reversed, and set up a take profit at the last high that it went, so that if it is a zone it rejects off of, you will take profit before it actually reverses. So here we have another beautiful example here, where you would set up the resistance zone before New York opens, and at 1 PM it beautifully retested the zone and it rejected off of it after multiple retests to go into a sell. Now, as soon as I saw the large red sell candle, I hopped in the next candle and I held the trade, since there wasn't actually a zone on the previous week, and as a result we profited hugely. Now, just a small tip when it comes to hopping out of a trade but there not being a zone that you can actually find, what I would recommend doing is doing a 3-to-1 ratio just to be safe. Now, when it comes to this strategy, what I would recommend is that you watch it on the 5-minute strategy and you hop in on the 5-minute strategy, just so you don't get misled by anything on the 1-minute time frame. Now, overall, I think this is a pretty solid strategy. It's pretty simple to use, and it can be used alongside the support resistance strategy, which was in my previous video. So if you haven't seen that, I really do recommend you watch it. It's in the description down below. So that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed another trading secrets video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, where I'll be giving you guys another simple strategy completely for free. So I'll see you guys in the next one.